Alright, this video is for a 2012 Dodge Ram 1500 Bighorn 4x4 with a 5.7 liter Hemi in there. So, my battery light came on about 2 months ago, back in February. So, middle of February, almost 3 months ago actually. And just doing the video now on it. Of course, I work at a battery manufacturer, so I decided to get a new battery, put it in. The light stayed on. So I went to Harbor Freight and I bought a voltmeter because, well, if the battery is okay, then it might be the alternator. So I wanted to see if the alternator was charging fine. And so, and I bought a new code reader also. So here, this is what I bought here. Here's the code reader. And this actually resets the battery light, and if it has a code, it'll read the battery code. So I bought this, and this is the thing. I paid about $140 for it. So it's like a middle grade one. I had another one, but it didn't. I had an older one, but it didn't read battery codes. So, and here's the voltmeter I bought. So basically, that's what you do. You set it to DCV and to 20. And you turn it on, put the negative, you got the prongs here, you put the negative to negative, and the positive, the red to positive, black to negative, and it should read about 14.2 or more when charging. If it gets like 14.7, then that could be a problem too. So it was charging fine. So I hooked up the battery, so I hooked up the code reader, and I did get a code. And this was the code. And I cleared it. So here's what the code gave me. It was P063A. And there, what it says: faulty alternator, harnesses open or shorted, alternator circuit, poor electrical connection, faulty powertrain control module, PCM. So I checked all my wiring. Everything worked all right. I checked for, any bad connection spots. Everything seemed right. I did multiple tests with the voltage meter of different spots. Everything seemed to check out. I did not know what was going on, and everything was working, except the light was on. And 2 months later, I go out to my vehicle, put the key in to start it, nothing. Not even a click. Now, all the lights came on the cluster panel. Everything was going haywire, but it would not do anything. So I had to go back and research this code. And after really looking at it, here it was the bottom one: faulty powertrain control module. So that was my problem. So I actually have the control module here with me. I'm going to have to turn this light on so you can see. So if you look at these ports here, this is actually located on the right passenger side firewall. As you look, you can see it. Look how you can look at that port. Looks pretty good. That one looks pretty good. You get this one. It looks like it was smoked up or burned up a little bit, and it's missing a pin. You see the one pin there. The second row up from the bottom in the middle is missing, like it burned off. So basically, I'm like, this had to be my problem. So you have to get the numbers off here to match. Now I have it upside down here for the numbers. So let me see which one was mine. So if you look, kind of blurry here, but you'll see in the middle of those two barcodes, it'll say P063A. I think that's a 919AC. That's the number you're going to need. So it's P68064919AC. That's the number you're going to need when ordering a new one. And here it's actually on the end here. You see it too in big, 919AC. you're going to need that number. And you can actually order this off a website. It's called Flagship One. They refurbish these modules and they will program it to your vehicle. That's why you need that number, so you can order the right one. And then you need to provide a VIN number. So that's what I did, and the truck starts now. Fixed all my problems. So I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to go out and show you where it is on the truck, and then we'll finish up. All right, so right here's the truck. So we're going to go out here and show you that starts. Quick. So I bought the old board out with me here. All right, quick jump in here. So basically when I got in here, I put the key in here. Turn that down. So everything would light up. Stuff was going haywire. I have an electronic breakdown here. That was going off era. Of course, the battery light, the four-wheel servo light was coming on. And when I went to go put it to start, nothing. So, but now it does start, so shut this door quick. So you can see everything's working fine. All right, pop the hood quick, shut this off, and show you where the board is. All right, so we popped the hood here. So your PCM board is located right there. You can see the wiring. I did look up, I did see a previous video of this. If you're having these kind of problems, you might want to take those 4 connectors off, clean them. I have the old board here, so you can actually see here. You might want to clean all those pins with connector spray. And the one guy's problem was that all that was, they needed to be clean. But my case wasn't. The board actually went. And I can't see, I'm out here later in the day, but here's the old board, and like I said, you're going to need that number there again. There's the number. Mine's P063A. So that's the number you're going to need. That should match up to your vehicle. It is Flagship One. They're out of New York. They refurbish these. I paid $330, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. They do put a seal down on the bottom there. I don't know if you can see. There is a seal. If that seal is broke, the little blue and white seal, that's broke, and then your warranty will not be good. So that's where everything is. So hopefully this helps somebody out. A lot of times your problems is a lot of wiring issues or connection problems. I had problems with a brake switch on this truck. Made all my cluster stuff go haywire, and here was the switch. So hopefully this helps everybody out. Over and out. Good luck.